Well, we made it back on the ground. I left Spike in the van. I'm sure he's not too happy. How are you, Spike? How are you? Wasn't room for this bird and Spike in there. So, anyways, gave him a ride and he did fine. He did fine. So put him back in the van here and grab Spiker and we'll go do some more flying, but I'll gotta get this on YouTube first. We'll go fly in that wind anyways. And then I'll get back down and do a video on the H5, what I fixed on it today. Is that okay, Spike? Is that okay? I think I turn the H5 or the aux cruiser off first though.